We are doing the sum of October, November 2022, paper 32, which is related to activity-based costing. Are you there with me?
Yes.
Can you please read the question?
Yes. GX Limited is a manufacturing business which uses activity-based costing. Answer the following questions in the question paper. Explain why ABC is often considered a better costing method than absorption costing.
Okay, tell me, why is it considered as a better costing method than absorption costing?
ABC is more realistic because it uses a number of different absorption rates for different overheads.
That means what?
That means that in absorption costing, one OAR is used for all the, like for apportioning everything. But over
Mhm.
here, different rates are calculated
Based on what?
based on the cost drivers and cost.
Based on the
Yeah,
activities.
cost
So it is
drivers.
calculating the rates
Yeah,
based on activities. So it's
hmm,
more realistic. That is why ABC is a better costing method than absorption costing.
hmm,
Are you with me?
yeah.
Okay, fine. Now, what do they want from you in the B part?
Calculate the selling price of one unit for each product.
So they want the selling price of one unit for each product. So whenever you have to calculate the selling price, you have a format that you follow. What is the
Yeah.
format that you follow?
So will be selling price
To
minus the
calculate the selling price, you need what?
direct material, direct labor, fixed overhead,
Okay. Then
and then we'll get the total expenses. Then usually they give you like
total
a markup.
cost,
Yeah, they give you a markup.
markup or margin.
Yeah, and when you add it, you get the sale for the price.
Then you add it and you get the selling price. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll read the question. What is the
Mm.
additional information? You're using activity based costing.
Yeah.
Okay.
The company manufactures two products. The following information is available for the year.
Company is manufacturing two products. One is product A and one is product B. My
Yeah.
target is to find what?
The selling price.
The selling price. Okay, let's go ahead.
Yeah.
Can you read?
Yeah. So the direct costs are given to us. Then the production
You have
overheads are
product
given.
A, product B.
Yeah.
Product A is using 1500 and 4500 units are being produced.
Yeah.
Since I want of one unit, I will take everything per unit.
Hmm.
Okay. Or I can do everything in total and
Then
then
divide
divide
it.
it by the number of units.
Hmm.
Why do we do like this? If we want to take
Bec-
total,
uh, because the
fixed
machine
overheads, the
servicing.
total is a bit easier for
Yeah.
us.
Hmm.
Okay, fine, no problem. Let's go ahead. Read.
So we'll start with the production unit, the direct material per unit.
Okay.
We'll do 3 into 7.2 into 1,500.
I'll
We'll do
take per
3
unit, it's better.
per unit is better.
3 into 7.20
So
for direct
21.50.
material.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for product A. Product B would be,
So 5 into 4.8,
so it's coming up to how much?
24.
24. Very good. Now, direct labor.
Direct labor will be uh, 2 into 10.50.
Okay.
It will be 21.
Okay.
And then for product B, you'll do 3 into 10.50, which will be 31.50.
Okay, fine. So you've added the direct material, you've added the direct labor.
Hmm.
Now you will go to the production overheads.
Yes.
That is the factory overheads. So
Yes.
you have three factory overheads: machine servicing, order processing, and quality inspections.
Hmm.
Come on, read for machine servicing.
3 machines are used to manufacture product A and 8 to manufacture product B. They are all serviced once a month.
So 3 is used for product A
And 8 is used for product B.
and 8 is used for product B.
Hmm.
Okay. 3 for product A and 8 is used for product B.
B.
Total
Yeah.
machine servicing is how much?
11.
So for machine A will go how much?
13,700 and
13,700
upon 11 into 3. So it's coming in decimals.
and you also have to divide, that's okay, but you also have to divide by the number of units, right?
Yeah,
Because you're doing everything,
in units.
okay. But
So
the
divided by
total,
1,500
let's first take for product A, how much it is coming?
per unit.
13,700 into 3 divided by 11 is coming up to how much?
3,736.36.
Okay. And you will also divide it by the number of units
So 1,500.
because you want per unit.
We'll take 2 decimals or 1.
2 decimals.
So 2.49.
So 2.49.
Hmm.
And for this 8,
It'll
product
be,
B,
how many units are there?
13,700 into
Into
each
8
machine upon 11 into
into,
4,500.
no, divide. Achha.
Yeah, divide by 4,500.
Yeah, so it'll be 2.21.
You're doing in calculator, right?
Yeah, I am doing.
So for machine servicing, we got our rates, correct?
Hmm.
The next one is what?
Order processing.
Sorry?
Order processing.
Okay.
Orders processed amount to 27 for product A and 93 for product B. So the total is 120.
1 minute, wait. No order processing. What is the order processing thing?
Its total is 120.
Product
So
A
you do
is how much? 27.
20, yeah,
Product B is
93.
93 and total is 120.
Hmm.
So for product A,
For product A, you do 6,400 into 27 upon 120 and divided by 1,500. So it's
because we are finding per unit.
per unit. So is it 0.96?
You calculated?
Yeah, I calculated.
Now for product B,
6,400 into 93 upon 120 divided by 4,500. So it's 1.102. So 1.10.
1.1.
10.
Okay, fine. So you've got the per unit cost for order
Order.
processing.
Hmm. Now quality inspection. Product A is subject to 34 quality inspections and product B is to 126.
Hmm.
So the total is 160. We will do 11,200 into 34 upon
Total is how
160.
much?
160.
160.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will do 11,200
Hmm.
into 34 upon 160 divided by 1,500. So it's 1.59.
Okay.
And then for the second one, you'll do 11,200 into
126.
126 upon 160 divided by 4,500. It's 1.96.
1.96.
Hmm.
So this is with related to quality inspection.
Yeah.
Now rent.
Rent costs 48,000 a year and is a portion on the basis of floor area. 30% product A and 70% for product B.
Again, tell me.
48, so 48,000 into 30%, so 14,400.
Divided by.
Oh, I have to divide it also. Yeah, divided by 1,500.
Hmm.
So it's 9.6.
You're doing the calculations.
Yeah, I'm doing.
For product
Then
B, it is how much?
48,000 into 70%, in divided by 4,500. So it's 7.47.
70% is how much?
Oh, one second, I'll do it again. 48,000 into 7. It's 33,600.
Hmm?
33,600.
So you've got for rent also.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what?
The business applies a markup. So we first have to total all the costs that we've gotten.
Yeah, so first you have to total everything. So this is the total cost.
Okay.
The markup is 50%.
How much is total cost? 57.24. Okay.
Markup
So
is on.
markup is on cost at 50%.
Okay. So 50% is this much, 28.62.
Yeah.
And 50%
28.62.
of 68.24 is 34.12.
Hmm.
So you get the selling price. You
Yeah.
will add the cost with the markup
To get the selling price.
to get the selling price. This is for 12 marks.
Okay.
Should pray that ABC costing comes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what is the C part?
Calculate the selling price of one unit of product B, which would be charged if its production was doubled in this way.
Okay, what does this mean?
I think you have to read the question again.
Okay, read it.
The company's selling price for product B is $3 higher than that of a competitor. The directors are worried that because of this, the company will start to lose sales. They are
One minute,
considering
one minute,
doubling.
one minute. Read again.
The company's selling prices for product B is $3 higher than that of a competitor. The directors are worried that because of this, the company will start to lose sales.
Hmm.
They are considering doubling production of product B while maintaining the same percentage markup. They
Hmm.
believe that because of the increase in production, they would be able to negotiate a purchase price for direct materials of 4.40 per kilo. There would be an increased requirement for labor, and therefore the rate of pay would increase to $11.50 per hour for all factory workers. The increase in production would cause the following production overhead for product B to become machine servicing and everything
Hmm.
costs are given, and the rent and its apportionment would remain unchanged.
Okay. So they are saying that they want to increase the cost of product B.
Hmm.
The rent apportionment would not change.
Hmm.
What do you want to calculate?
The new selling price of one unit,
So new selling price and production would become how much?
double,
Double, that means how much?
How much is it? I think 1,000. No, product B 4,500. So become 9,000.
So 4,500 would become 9,000.
Yeah,
Okay. So let's do
yeah.
direct material first.
Hmm.
Material
So
cost would become how much?
4.40 per kilo.
4 point?
40. So 5. Not that one. Not product B.
Okay, sorry.
5 into 4.40. So it'll be 22.
Okay. How about
And
direct labor?
direct labor would increase to 11.50. So 3 into 11.50. So it'll be 34.5.
Hmm?
It'll be 34.5.
And the production overheads they've directly calculated and they've given you?
Yeah. Okay, this is all directly calculated. A portion.
Yeah.
Okay. So you will divide all of them by 900. Right? 9,000.
So this would be 52,560
560 divided by
divided by
9,000.
9,000 units.
Hmm.
So this will become,
So 5.84.
and rent apportionment would remain unchanged.
Yeah.
So what was
So,
our rent apportionment?
but won't we have to
1 minute.
divide it by the
What was our rent apportionment?
rent was 7.547.
Yeah.
Oh,
70%.
33,600. Yeah,
Now
yeah.
instead of
33.
dividing it by 4,500 units, we
We'll
would
divide it by
divide it by how much?
9,000.
So it will become how much?
3.73.
3.73. Just check.
33,600 divided by 9,000. Yeah. 3.73.
3.73. So our rent would become how much?
3.73.
33,600, that is 70%
Hmm.
divided by 9,000 units.
Hmm.
So what will our total cost come up to?
You have to, oh, 33,600 is the 70%, right? We've
Yeah,
already found that as 70%. Oh, then
yeah.
it's 3 point, yeah, total cost I'm calculating.
So this is coming up to 66.07.
Yeah, 56.07.
Then you will add what?
Markup,
How much?
33.035. So
So you
the
will get selling price.
99.105.
105 is 1 1.
Okay.
With me?
Yeah.
Okay. So we've done the C part. Let's go to the D part. Read the question.
Advisory directors whether or not they should double production of product B. Justify your answer.
Okay. Whether or not you should double the production of product B. Now this
Hmm.
is the thing when you are doubling the production.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
And what is your thing when you are not doubling the production for product B?
And then 2.36 is the selling price.
Let me get it away.
Yeah.
This is normal production.
Hmm.
Advise the directors whether you should double the production for product B or no.
So first we'll write the points for yes. So you say that
Sorry.
you'll write the points for and then again.
Okay.
So,
In
so for
normal
Ford,
production, what is happening? Can you first analyze and tell me?
in normal production, the direct
Let's talk
material
about the
cost,
costs.
yeah, the direct material cost is higher. Oh, the total. Total
Total
cost
cost is lower.
Yeah, total cost is lower.
Total cost is lower.
Yeah.
Markup is the same. So profit is a bit lower, but the markup
Hmm.
percentage remains the same.
Hmm.
And selling price is lower.
Hmm.
Okay. Our
Yeah.
competitors, our normal production was 102.
Hmm.
Our competitors were selling it at $3 less.
Yeah.
So competitors is selling at how much?
99.
And we are getting a price of
99.11.
99.11. Okay.
Hmm.
Now come on, tell me. Advise the directors whether you should double the production or no. First, give me 3 points for,
Okay.
3
So
points against.
the increase in production will lead to a lower direct labor cost,
No, it's
which is
increasing. Na? Labor cost is increasing.
sorry, direct material. Sorry, direct material cost,
Okay.
which is resulting in a lower total cost.
Less direct material.
Yeah, and
More
the total.
direct labor.
Yeah,
You have to give the figures also, okay?
yeah.
So
The pro.
reduction in total costs.
Hmm.
So that is why reduction in selling price.
So you can compete with the competitor.
So almost matching with competitor. You have to give the figures, okay?
Yeah.
Almost matching with competitor's price.
Hmm.
Now tell me against.
For against, the direct labor cost is increasing, and
You're not sure whether you will be able to sell,
yeah, there's no guarantee.
that you will be able to sell double number of units.
Hmm.
Plus, if you produce more,
Hmm.
you will have more inventory.
Yeah.
That means more storage costs,
Hmm.
more risk.
Yeah.
Now, advice.
So for advice, I would say that they should double the production
Don't you
because,
think it is more risky to double the production?
but
Because if you
um,
are asking if you're going to pay your laborers more for product B, the
yeah,
labor of product A would want to switch to product B.
yeah, or they would demand for higher
Hmm.
wages. Yeah, okay. So you say that in conclusion, they shouldn't double it because even the product A people can laborers can ask for higher wages. It
Because
would increase
the reward is very less compared to the risk.
the cost.
However, if they are very confident that they can sell, then they should.
Hmm. Hmm.
Advice will not be more than 1 mark, okay? So the
Okay.
decision should be small.
Hmm.
So with this, we complete October, November 22, paper 32 question that is based on absorption costing.